Hello again YouTube. Small update on the Titan lathe conversion. I have most of the electronics connected, steppers, motors, everything is in place. And a little sanity check. So we are at 0 millimeters. Machine is at 0 and we're going to go x-axis to 20 millimeter, and that is in diameters, so it should move 10 millimeters when I press enter. Let's see what happens. And yeah, it moved dead nuts, 10 millimeters, so we're at 20 millimeters on diameter, so that works. And how I got it working is the interesting part. We take this function switch and we go to parameters, and we are at x-axis. I have 3225 pulses. It should be 3200. And now it's 225, so 25 pulses more than it should, but I don't know if the lead screw is dead nuts on 5 millimeters. And distance to travel for a rotation is 2500 thousandths of a millimeter, so 2.5 millimeters. And I have 1:2 ratio, so half of the lead screw rotation on one motor rotation, so that's okay. Now the x-axis is okay. I need to configure the z-axis, and then I have to mount the limit switches and stuff. I have these inductive limit switches. I'm going to make a mount here, so when the slide comes to the switch, it sees it just before it touches the switch. Or I'm going to put it sideways in here, I don't know yet. I'm going to test which one is more accurate, and I'm going to go with that. Then I'm going to add an encoder or a switch to the back of the motor, so I can get the Z pulse from the stepper motor. So when it sees the limit switch, it backs out to that pulse that the motor is sending it. Just one pulse per revolution. So that'll be more accurate than just the limit switch. But yeah, these numbers are just a number what you can put in this field, from 1 to 99999 and so on. So that's kind of misleading. It's not here you want to write, it's just this part, parameter 214, 215, pulses and distance to travel for one revolution of the motor. Yeah. Then there's rapid speed, feed rate, max speed. I need to test all of those and all the acceleration parameters and those. I have no idea. I'm just trying to get this to move on its own, and so I can get it working. But yeah, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll try to answer what I know, and if I don't know something, I'll test on this controller and give you updates when I start learning about it. There's very little information about this, so I'll try to be as thorough as I can, and if you need to know something, ask, and I'll try to figure it out how it goes. But yeah, it would be nice if you give me a thumbs up on this. my channel isn't monetized, so it's just for me. It's fun to see if you like it or not. I don't get anything from it. It's just a hobby for me. It's not a job, and I don't think about monetizing this channel when looking how things are going on YouTube and how they are treating the people who's making the content for them. But yeah, everybody stay safe, have a nice weekend or day, whatever. Guys and girls, have a nice day. Bye.